Hello, amazing learners, and welcome back to a focused grammar lesson from Bonza Brain. I'm Alex. And I'm Ben. Today, we're cutting straight to the chase with one of the most important tenses in English, the simple present. Exactly. So what is a tense? Well, a tense simply tells you when an action happens. Right. Let's look at the first image, the tense timeline, to see this in action.
Got it. So on the timeline, I see yesterday I ate pizza for the past. Tomorrow I will eat pizza for the future. And then right in the middle, today I eat pizza. Okay, that's the present.
And that present moment is our focus. We use this simple present for habits,
Okay.
for general truths, and fixed schedules. So now let's look at the simple present rules chart. The basic structure, it's just the subject plus the base form of the verb.
Okay. For example, I work from home or you speak English. That seems pretty straightforward for I, you, we, and they.
It is, but now we get to the most important part of today's lesson, and it's where most learners make mistakes. It's a rule so important, we actually call it the magic S.
Ah, the key to it all.
Exactly. Let's bring up the magic S visual. For the third person singular, so that is he, she, and it,
Yeah.
we must add an S or ES to the end of the verb.
Okay, so looking at the chart here, I play becomes he plays. I watch becomes she watches.
Right.
So the S is like a special key that only works for he, she, and it.
That is the perfect way to think about it. The magic S unlocks the correct sentence. Now, let's see this in action. Let's look at our good versus bad examples chart. Ben, what's a bad example you see?
In the red bad column, it says he go to school. Of course, he is third person singular, so it needs the magic S. The good example shows the correction. He goes to school.
Precisely. Another common mistake is they plays soccer. That's wrong because they is plural. The correct sentence is just they play soccer.
Getting this right is so important, but this also affects how we ask questions and make negative sentences,
Yes,
right?
exactly. Let's look at our do does and don't doesn't chart. This is where our helper verbs come in.
And you can see does is the special helper for he, she, and it.
Right.
When you use does, the magic S actually moves from the main verb to the helper. Okay, looking at the good versus bad example on the chart, the bad one says, do he speak English?
Oh, yeah. That's wrong because the S belongs on the helper.
So the correct version is, does he speak English? The S moved, I see.
You got it. Mastering that single rule is, well, it's everything. And to help you remember it, we've created one final slide for you. Let's look at the memory tips for simple present tense.
Oh, this is a great summary. A little cheat sheet. I like tip number 5, move the S.
Yes.
It clearly shows how he works becomes does he work. It's a perfect visual reminder of the whole lesson.
Exactly. These tips will make the rules stick in your brain. And that, everyone, is our complete guide to the simple present tense.
Yeah, we've covered the core rules and really the most important trick to using it correctly.
We really hope this lesson helped you have that aha moment. Join us next time here on the Bonza Brain channel for our deep dive into the simple past tense.
Yes, and if you found this lesson helpful, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone else who is learning English. It really, really helps our channel grow.
Thanks for learning with us on Bonza Brain. Now here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Ooh.
What is a daily habit you have that you can now describe perfectly using the magic S?